Hey everyone, I'm Vikram Salunki and welcome to Python for InfoSec. This is a video number 11 and in this video we will see sets. So sets in Python are similar to sets in mathematics, which is unordered and unindexed. Let's see sets in a practical version. Okay, this is a Kali machine. Let's type Python. This is the Python interpreter. Now let's define set A equals curly brackets. So we define sets inside a curly brackets. Let's give some values such as 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. Let's print A. Okay, so these are the values in set A. Let's define set B equals 20, 40, 60, 80 and 100. And once again, curly braces we use to define sets in Python. Okay, let's print B. Okay, we have printed. Now let's see the union between two sets. Let's see the union. So we have this set A which contains 10, 20, 30, 40, 50 and we have another set B which contains 20, 40, 60, 80 and 100. So union contains all the elements from both the sets. So 10, 20, 30, 40, 50 we have here, after that 60, 80, 100. So let's see union in Python, A and B. So this gives us the union of two sets, which is a set of all the elements. Let's see intersection. So this is our set A and this is set B. Intersection only contains the common elements. That means these two sets has 20 and 40 in common. Let's see union in Python, A, B. Okay, we got the common values. Now let's see the difference. So this is set A and set B. If we want to see the difference between A and B, that will contain the element which has present in A but not in B. So 10, 30, 50 are present in A but not in B. Let's see that in a Python, A minus B, and we got the value 10, 50, 30. And if we want to see the difference between B and A, the answer will be 60, 80 and 100. So the values 60, 80, 100 are present in B but not in A. So in Python, B minus A, we got the difference. Let's again see our program in a graphical version. So we define sets in a curly braces. So we define set A with value 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. So we define set B with value 20, 40, 60, 80, 100. So this will give us the union between two sets. Union means all the elements present in both the sets. This will give us the intersection between those sets. That means only common elements. This will give us a difference. That means elements that are present in A but not in B. This will also give us the difference. That means the elements which are present in B but not in A. So that's it for this video. I hope you understood sets correctly. If you are liking my videos, then please share with your friends. Thank you.